How to change button padding on Wix. So in order to change your button padding, first things first is select your button that you want to change the padding with. Now, once you have selected that particular button right there, next thing you need to do is to open the inspector icon. Click onto this icon right here, and then from in there, it should be able to open this. So scroll down. We have in here these options for the position, margins, and the like. So you can adjust in here your margins as well as some other options under the scaling, skewing, and translating. So for example, for this case, let's just change the margin for this. You can adjust it if you would want. And for example, you can also add a position type for that. And also for the borders right here, you can adjust it. For example, let's make it 10. And you can see now that this is what it looks like. This is the padding of your button. So that's how you change button padding on Wix. Hope we help.